Life in the Czech Republic offers a captivating blend of rich culture, vibrant history, and stunning landscapes that attract people from all corners of the globe. Nestled in the heart of Central Europe, this enchanting country boasts a plethora of experiences waiting to be discovered. From the cobblestone streets of Prague with its fairy tale architecture, to the tranquil countryside dotted with medieval castles, the Czech Republic never fails to mesmerize visitors and residents alike. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. At the heart of Czech culture lies a deep appreciation for the arts, literature, and music. The country's illustrious history has given rise to a wealth of artistic expression, with renowned figures such as Franz Kafka, Antonin Dvorak, and Alphonse Mucha leaving an indelible mark on the world stage. Prague, often hailed as one of Europe's most beautiful cities, serves as a veritable hub of cultural activity. Its majestic landmarks, including the iconic Charles Bridge and Prague Castle, stand as testaments to centuries of artistic and architectural brilliance. The Czech Republic's cultural heritage is also celebrated through its vibrant traditions and festivals. From the colorful Easter markets adorning city squares to the spirited folk festivals that animate rural villages, there is always a sense of festivity in the air. One cannot help but be swept up in the lively atmosphere of events like the Prague Spring International Music Festival or the Prague Fringe Festival, where artists from around the world converge to showcase their talents. Beyond its cultural allure, the Czech Republic is renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty. The country's diverse landscapes encompass lush forests, rolling hills, and crystal-clear lakes, offering endless opportunities for outdoor exploration. Whether hiking through the picturesque Bohemian Paradise or cycling along the banks of the Vltava River, nature enthusiasts are sure to be captivated by the Czech Republic's stunning vistas. Moreover, the Czech Republic is a paradise for food lovers, with its rich culinary heritage and thriving gastronomic scene. Traditional Czech cuisine, characterized by hearty dishes such as goulash, schnitzel, and dumplings, reflects the country's agricultural roots and penchant for hearty fare. However, the culinary landscape is also evolving, with a burgeoning farm-to-table movement and a growing emphasis on fresh, locally sourced ingredients. In addition to its cultural and culinary delights, the Czech Republic is home to a diverse and dynamic population. One notable aspect of Czech society is its reputation for secularism, with a majority of the population identifying as atheist or agnostic. This secular outlook is reflected in the country's liberal attitudes towards issues such as religion, gender equality, and LGBTQ+ rights. As a result, the Czech Republic has gained a reputation as a progressive and inclusive society, welcoming people of all backgrounds and beliefs. One aspect of Czech society that often garners attention is the beauty of its women. Indeed, the Czech Republic is known for its abundance of stunning women who possess not only physical attractiveness but also intelligence, wit, and charm. From the cosmopolitan streets of Prague to the quaint villages of Moravia, one cannot help but be struck by the allure of Czech women. Moreover, Czech women are renowned for their independence and self-assurance, embodying a modern femininity that is both empowering and alluring. While the Czech Republic offers a myriad of opportunities for cultural enrichment and natural exploration, it is not without its challenges. Like many countries, it grapples with issues such as economic inequality, environmental sustainability, and social cohesion. Moreover, the legacy of communism still looms large in the Czech Republic, shaping both its political landscape and collective consciousness. Nevertheless, the Czech Republic continues to forge ahead, embracing the promise of a brighter future while honoring its storied past. With its blend of timeless tradition and modern innovation, this enchanting country beckons travelers and residents alike to embark on a journey of discovery and exploration. Whether marveling at the architectural wonders of Prague, savoring the flavors of Czech cuisine, or simply basking in the beauty of its landscapes, life in the Czech Republic is an experience like no other. From the bustling streets of Prague to the quaint villages nestled in the countryside, life in the Czech Republic is imbued with a sense of charm and authenticity. One of the joys of living in this captivating country is the opportunity to immerse oneself in its rich cultural tapestry. Whether attending a classical concert at the Rudolfinum or exploring the medieval fortresses of Český Krumlov, there is always something new and exciting to discover. The Czech Republic's commitment to preserving its cultural heritage is evident in the plethora of museums, galleries, and historical sites that dot the landscape. Museums such as the National Museum and the Museum of Decorative Arts offer glimpses into the country's past, while galleries like the Prague Castle Gallery showcase the works of local and international artists. Moreover, the Czech Republic's UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the historic center of Prague and the pilgrimage church of St. John of Nepomuk, serve as reminders of the country's enduring legacy. In addition to its cultural attractions, the Czech Republic is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. With its vast network of hiking trails, cycling routes, and waterways, the country offers endless opportunities for adventure. Whether skiing in the Krkonos Mountains during the winter months or kayaking along the meandering Morava River in the summer, there is no shortage of ways to commune with nature in the Czech Republic. Furthermore, the Czech Republic's central location in Europe makes it an ideal base for exploring the continent. With its well-connected transportation infrastructure, including an extensive network of trains and buses, it is easy to travel to neighboring countries such as Germany, Austria, and Poland. Weekend getaways to cities like Vienna, Budapest, and Berlin are not only feasible but also highly recommended, allowing residents to experience the diverse cultures and landscapes of Europe firsthand. Of course, no discussion of life in the Czech Republic would be complete without mentioning the country's world-renowned beer culture. The Czech Republic is often hailed as the birthplace of modern beer brewing, with a long history of producing some of the finest brews in the world. From the iconic Pilsner Urquell to the artisanal craft beers that have proliferated in recent years, beer aficionados will find plenty to savor in the Czech Republic's lively pubs and beer gardens. Despite its many attractions, the Czech Republic remains relatively affordable compared to other European countries, making it an appealing destination for expatriates and digital nomads. The cost of living is reasonable, especially outside of Prague, and expats will find a welcoming community of fellow internationals eager to share their experiences and insights. Moreover, the Czech Republic's education and healthcare systems are among the best in Europe, further enhancing its appeal as a place to live and work. The country boasts a well-developed network of schools and universities, offering high-quality education from primary through tertiary levels. Whether pursuing a degree in one of the country's esteemed universities or enrolling children in the Czech education system, residents can rest assured that they will receive a top-notch education. Similarly, the Czech Republic's healthcare system is widely regarded as efficient, accessible, and of high quality. Residents enjoy universal healthcare coverage, with access to a comprehensive range of medical services and treatments. From routine checkups to specialized care, healthcare professionals in the Czech Republic are dedicated to providing top-notch medical care to all patients, regardless of their background or financial status. In terms of work-life balance, the Czech Republic offers a laid-back lifestyle that prioritizes leisure and relaxation. The country's generous vacation policies and emphasis on family time ensure that residents have ample opportunities to unwind and recharge. Whether strolling through the leafy parks of Prague, enjoying a leisurely meal at a sidewalk cafe, or simply spending time with loved ones, the Czech Republic encourages a slower pace of life that promotes well-being and contentment. Of course, like any country, the Czech Republic faces its share of challenges. Economic disparities persist between urban and rural areas, and issues such as housing affordability and income inequality remain pressing concerns. Moreover, the country's political landscape can be complex, with occasional tensions between different segments of society. However, the Czech Republic's strong democratic institutions and commitment to human rights ensure that these challenges are addressed through open dialogue and democratic processes. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, could you leave your comments below and tell us, do you find Czech culture appealing? We want to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.